Okay, to create a bookmark for Rapid Identity, you can do that from our Heights webpage. Go to Faculty and Staff. Click on the Rapid Identity link. You're going to go to your little bookmarks bar here. You're going to make sure Show Bookmarks bar is checked. Then you're going to create a bookmark. You're going to bookmark this page. Now, after you do that, it creates this link that doesn't really work great. So let's go in again and go to Bookmarks. You can right-click on this, go to Edit, and in this web address right here, you can type in https://portal.usd259.net, then hit Save. And once you log in, all your applications are available.